Welcome to the channel. Today I just want to show you a product that I picked up for my action camera. I've been doing a lot of outdoor videos. I've been doing some videos on the tractor and stuff. And I was holding the camera in my hand and it was a little hard to drive the tractor and do the bucket work and everything by holding the camera. So I picked up this product so I could mount it onto the tractor to do some tractor work. I could also use it for other projects out in the yard and stuff. Let me show you what it is. It is a JAWS flex clamp. Okay. It has an adjustable gooseneck, and it can clamp up onto something. You can clamp it on the tables. You can clamp it on tree branches, whatever else. Clamp it on your handlebars of your bicycle, motorcycle, stuff like that. The clamp ranges from 1/4 inch up to 2 inches. And just an easy way to set up your camera and remove it, and you don't have to permanently install it. So I'm going to open this up, see what's in here. All right. If you're interested in this, there'll be a link in the description below. And if you haven't already, and you enjoy my videos, hit that subscribe button. Alright, here's the clamp. Ooh. Oh, it's pretty robust. I can barely squeeze it. And it has a little rubber strap in here, so if you're putting it on anything that you want to protect, like handlebars or anything you don't want to scratch your paint or whatever, it's got a strap here. Okay, and here's your adjustable gooseneck. See, you can adjust it, bend it, either way. Okay. You got your quick connect here, which connects into your clamp right there. Just like that, okay? And then you have a quick connect up here where you can connect your, and you got another quick connect there. Connect it right in there. Also comes with a 1/4 inch that you can put there if you need to. And it has a thumb screw right there. Well, I use an Action 4, DJI Action 4. So I'm going to use one of their mounts, put it right in there. And then I'm going to use my thumb screw. Come on. There we go. Tighten that up. Alright. Then I can take my DJI Action 4, put it right on there. Alright. Then we can clamp it on there. Let me see here. We can do this. I'll clamp it on the chair. There. See, it clamps right on. Doesn't move, then you can move it all around, whatever. All right. Here's another thing. Here's my wife's bike. We could use it to clamp on the handlebars if we wanted to. And then you could just move, see? Move it all around if you wanted to, keep it on there. You could spin it around if you wanted to. There, all different applications for this. This will come in handy. I could use it for a lot of things. Like I said, I'm going to be doing some tractor work. It'll mount on the tractor. I can have it facing forward, or whatever. And You know, like when I'm doing the bucket work or whatever. Or I could have it facing backwards, you know, when I'm doing the backhoe work and stuff. So this is going to come in handy. So if you're interested, there'll be a link in the description below. It will be an affiliate link, so there will be no extra cost to you, but I will receive a small commission. But anyway, relatively cheap, multiple uses for this. You can put it on pipes, you know, tree branches, tables, clamp it on anywhere up to 2 inches. This will come in handy. So, like I mentioned before, if this interests you, link in the description. If you haven't already and you enjoy my videos, hit that subscribe button, so you know, and the bell so you're notified of when new videos come out. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What do you think? Do you use these? What other things other things that I'm missing that you can use this for? Clamping on, you know. And you want to see the next video? Check it up here. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.